Quarter 3 dystopian reading plus 4 questions. The Lottery by Shirley Jackson. One idea I'm starting to form about the theme is, I think this because in the text. Audiobook version, The Lottery. Two, theory I'm beginning to develop about Mrs. Hutchinson is that she's a character who, I think this because she. 3, Mrs. Hutchinson's perspective on opinion of the lottery is, I know this because. 4, the major theme I think the author is communicating to readers is the characters help show this theme by, for example, the setting helps show this theme by, for example. Audiobook version, The Lottery. Click movie on YouTube. And the text again. Thank you, readers.